Welcome back, space explorers. Today, we're diving into the captivating world of Jupiter, the king of our solar system. Standing at an astonishing 140,000 kilometers in diameter, this gas giant is so massive it could fit over 1,300 Earths inside. But there's so much more to this giant than size. Stick around, and don't forget to hit like and subscribe if you want to explore more mysteries of the universe with us. Let's get into it. Did you know that despite its size, Jupiter is the fastest spinning planet in our solar system? It only takes about 10 hours to complete one rotation. Imagine something that big, spinning that fast. It's like the Speedy Gonzales of space. This rapid rotation actually helps shape Jupiter's powerful storms and intense magnetic fields. Speaking of storms, Jupiter's atmosphere is home to some of the most intense storms ever recorded. Take the Great Red Spot, for example. This iconic storm has been raging for at least 400 years. It's bigger than Earth and has wind speeds up to a jaw-dropping 680 km per hour. But here's a mystery for you: we still don't fully understand what gives it its deep red color or why it's trembling as it moves. Let us know in the comments, what do you think is causing the Great Red Spot to shake? Jupiter didn't just form on the sidelines. A few years ago, scientists discovered Jupiter is likely the oldest planet in our solar system, forming less than 1 million years after the Sun. Its gravity was a game changer, pulling in and scattering massive debris that would later help create Earth and other planets. Picture a giant wrecking ball clearing space so smaller rocky planets like ours could take shape. Here's something mind-blowing: Jupiter doesn't technically orbit the Sun like other planets. Due to its immense mass, Jupiter and the Sun both orbit a point just outside the Sun's surface. This phenomenon, known as a barycenter, shows just how much of a gravitational influence Jupiter has in our solar system. But that's not all. Jupiter also acts as Earth's protector. Its strong gravitational field pulls in or deflects asteroids and comets that could otherwise crash into Earth. Imagine Jupiter as our solar system's goalie, blocking dangers that come hurtling our way. But there's a flip side. In other star systems, giant planets like Jupiter can also disrupt smaller planets, even pushing them out of habitable zones. Jupiter's influence is powerful, and its massive gravitational pull impacts everything around it. Jupiter isn't alone in its corner of the solar system. It has at least 95 moons, each with its own story. One of the most exciting is Europa, which scientists believe could hold an ocean beneath its icy surface. Could it harbor life? Future missions are set to explore Europa's hidden ocean, and we can't wait to see what they find. NASA's Juno probe has been orbiting Jupiter since 2016, sending back incredible images and data about its atmosphere, magnetic field, and more. And now, the European Space Agency's JUICE mission is on its way, set to arrive in 2031 to continue uncovering Jupiter's secrets. These missions are like opening new chapters in our understanding of this giant. So if you're as excited about space exploration as we are, stay tuned. There's so much more to come. Back to the Great Red Spot. Over the last century, this storm has actually been shrinking. In the 1880s, it stretched over 40,000 kilometers, but now, it's only around 16,500 kilometers. Some scientists think it could eventually disappear. We've also recently observed it shaking and changing shape, which could be due to powerful winds interacting with it from the north and south. Will the Great Red Spot eventually vanish? Tell us your predictions below. From acting as a cosmic protector to shaping the formation of our solar system, Jupiter is truly one of the universe's most fascinating giants. It's a planet of mysteries, with a story that stretches back almost to the. If you enjoyed today's journey into Jupiter's secrets, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. There's a whole universe of wonders out there, and we're just getting started. Let us know in the comments what you want us to explore next.